Welcome to BankCard Pro's CRM account tracking software. In this training session, I'm going to teach you how to back up your database of all the data within your CRM. On the login page, you're going to enter your username and your password. You're going to agree to the terms of service, log in, and what we're going to do, on the gray menu bar, you're going to choose the Setup Configuration button, and you're going to scroll down to the third section, and you're going to click on the link that's called Database Backup. On this page, it will actually give you a history of every time that you've saved and backed up the database of your CRM software, including the date and time, the username who performed the backup, the IP address of the username's computer that the backup database was done, and the size of the file. So what we're going to do, we're going to click on the Start button, and it may take a few minutes, so we're just going to wait till it finishes. And we're going to click Start, and it's going to do a database backup that is in progress, and it's going to tell you to please wait. So we're going to wait a few minutes and let this finish. It's going to give you a progress bar. Right now we're at 25%. Now we're at 48% progress of the complete database backup of your CRM software. The reason why we want to do a backup database of your software, which is something you could do on your own, is this is something you probably want to do on a daily basis or do at least once or twice a week. If for some reason your server crashes and you lose your software and your database, the software is no problem. We can have your software back online within 30 minutes or less. But what's really critical is your data within your software. So if you're doing your database backup on a daily basis or at least once or twice a week, we can be able to take that file of the database backup that you did and be able to restore it within your software after we've reinstalled your software. Now that the database backup is done, it says database backup file is prepared. Use the link below to download it. So I'm going to click here to download, and you're going to get a pop-up saying that the database is 96 megs, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to save it to my desktop, and it's going to tell me the progress at 12%. So it's basically saving the file to my desktop. So we're going to wait till it finishes. And basically, once this finishes, it'll save it to your desktop. You can refresh this page, and it'll give you a record that this database was backed up. The last time was January 20th, 2011 at 11:14 p.m. by the CRM admin user, the IP address of that user, and it'll tell you how big the file is, which right here it says it's 100 megs. And you could be able to download this file at any time if you go back to this page. Right now it's saving to my computer and it's at 65%. So we're going to let that finish, and basically we're going to sign out of the software, and we're going to get to the home page, and this concludes this training session.